Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. So guys, what do you want?
We want wings! We want wings! We want wings!
Okay. I guess that means we're making wings.
Yeah!
So for today's wings, we're doing something a little bit different. At the Tampa RV show, we met Mike. Mike has his own line of all-purpose seasonings that are so amazing. They taste so good. The flavor just pops in your mouth. So we purchased his spicy seasoning, his regular seasoning, and he threw in his Jamaican jerk spice glaze and sauce. If I put it in a video, of course. So we put it in the video. Man, I'll tell you what, this stuff is so good. Go to his website, purchase some. You will not be sorry. It goes on everything, but it goes great on wings. If you don't have any of these seasonings yet, and you just want some good old-fashioned wings, make it just the way we're making it here, except don't put these spices on it. Mix up a little Frank's hot sauce with butter and honey, melt it in the microwave. When these are done, toss it in that. That'll give you some authentic tasting wings, but not as good as if you had these spices on it. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking, because this doesn't take very long at all. Now go ahead and get your frozen wings. Don't worry about thawing them out. First, add a half a cup of water. Now grab your frozen wings and not worrying about thawing them out. Drop some in there. Kind of arrange them around. Those are pretty good size right there. Now take that pressure lid, put it on there, and we're gonna pressure cook for 5 minutes with a quick release. And don't forget to put it on sealed. Make sure you hit the start button, not the on and off button, like I just did. All right, the timer's gone off. Let's do a quick release. Well, the red pin's dropped. Let's take our tops off of the Foodi, of course. Now what you want to do is get a little olive oil and put them right on the wings. Basket out, not all the way out. And just kind of toss them around. Just so that oil gets coated on there. Now the magic begins.
Magic Mike.
Magic Mike's. Copyright, can't have that, Mike. Sprinkle on the seasoning. I'm going with the regular. You want spicier, use the spicy. If you want a medium spice, add like a teaspoon to a tablespoon. Just get it all in there. It's gonna taste delicious. Hey, I see that one over here hiding. Gotta get some seasoning on you. You happy little seasoning. Now, we're gonna close this and we're gonna air crisp at 390 for 7 minutes. Man, I wish you could smell the house right now. Whew, smells so good. Now, we're gonna flip these little bad boys over. Maybe, there we go. All right, I'm done doing that. I'm using the big side. That's what I'm talking about. Get all that flavor all over that. That's gonna be good. Now, we're gonna air crisp at 390 for 7 more minutes. And then we're gonna eat. All right, timer's gone off. Again. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Take some of these wings out, put them on the plate. Now get your little bowl, grab your Jamaican jerk spice sauce and glaze. Pour some of that in that bowl. Drop a couple of these wings right in here. Let's give it a little toss. Well, there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? Throw in a little celery, little carrots. You can use some ranch or blue cheese if you want, but I'm telling you, with Mike's all-purpose seasoning, you don't need sauce. But we threw in some of that Jamaican jerk spice sauce because you know it's gonna be good. Well, let's give it a try. We'll start off with just the rub. Man, oh man, is that good, but whoo! I think I should have put my glasses on. Yep, I used the spicy rub, but I'll tell you what, it burns so good. That tastes amazing, even with the spice. I'm gonna go back in for more. Now I'm gonna try it with that glaze. Dude, that's so good. Talk about the flavor just popping in your mouth. That's finger looking good. Get that other place. How do I describe these flavors? It's like a party in my mouth. I mean, seriously. It's salty, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's earthy. It is fantastic. In fact, it's so good, I'm gonna cut this video short so I can eat. If you're enjoying my videos, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe. Leave a comment and like. And don't forget about the Ninja Foodi and Instapot group on Facebook. Come on over. Let's exchange all these ideas and make deliciousness together. Well, I got one question for you. To glaze or not to glaze? That is the question. No, it's not. All right, while I was picking out, I forgot to tell you. I'll leave a link down in the comments below for Mike's all-purpose seasoning. Seriously, go get some. It's fantastic. You should see everybody lined up behind the camera waiting to get over here. But if I leave the camera on, if I leave the camera on, they won't come on camera and get any of these wings.
I'm gonna hit it stop then.
Welcome back to Live from the Camper, and today we're doing topless wings.